Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Please like, subscribe and click on the bell for notifications about when new videos are uploaded. Happy Earth Day, Wednesday the 22nd of April 2020. In this video, I will be looking at 10 woodland areas in England. You can think of it as a top 10 list if you like, although I'm sure there are many ones left off. There's going to be some background noise of birds and things just to kind of immerse you into it a little bit more, as it is during lockdown and I think lots of us are, struggling a little bit being indoors so much. But if you do have woodlands near you, do try and get out and walk amongst the trees, as it were. It is a form of therapy, actually, very healthy for your mental health. It's really grounding, so do try and get out if you can. In the comments below, tell me what places you like to walk in. That might not be a forest or woods, it could be somewhere else. And if you have visited any of these places that I'm about to go through, let me know what you thought in the comments below. Perhaps I've missed some off. Alright, let's begin. Grizedale in Cumbria. In the northwest region of England, this area in the Lake District spans 24.47 kilometres squared, making it the largest forest in the Lake District. Home to a variety of wildlife and is home to the only remaining indigenous woodland red deer herd in England. They also have squirrels, badgers and woodpeckers. You can enjoy a range of activities such as walks, mountain bike trails, photographing wildlife and looking at the sculptures distributed in this forest. Furthermore, there are 2 trails suitable for wheelchair users, so all can enjoy this woodland. Cragside in Northumberland. Boasting the first house to be lit by hydroelectricity in the world, this magnificent estate of Cragside House, gardens and woodland is in the northeast region in England. Now owned by the National Trust, the estate grounds have more than 30 miles of footpaths and lakeside walks, a waterfall and indoor activities for children. The tall trees, some above 50 metres like the giant sakura trees, and babbling streams are one of the last shelters for the endangered red squirrel. Forest of Dean, Gloucestershire. This 110 square kilometres of mixed woodland is found in the southwest of England. The forest is composed of deciduous and evergreen trees, predominantly oak, although beech and sweet chestnut are also common. Deciduous trees are trees that shed seasonally. I always think deciduous has the letter D and the word shed, that's how I remember it, the 2 Ds, shed their leaves seasonally. It's home to wild boar after being illegally reintroduced in 2006 to the forest, although locals have mixed feelings about their presence. Birds such as hawfinches and goshawks are found here, along with butterflies such as the small pearl-bordered fritillon. Excuse my pronunciation of wildlife. Within the Rivington Wood in Lancashire, located in the northwest, are the Rivington Terraced Gardens. Originally created for a lord, the forest is now reclaiming the land back as its own, taking over the ruins of archways and bridges. This woodland also has Japanese water gardens, found if you turn up stone steps. It is highly recommended you visit in autumn to see the beautiful display of colours before winter comes. Hackfall, North Yorkshire. This woodland site in the northeast is a site of special scientific interest, dominated by oak, beech, sycamore and ash. Including several man-made waterfalls, Hackfall hosts thriving wildlife, including a spectacular display of bluebells. Padley Gorge, Derbyshire. A mystical and magical place in the Peak District. Burbage Brook gently trickles down at the top of the gorge, with steepening ground turning to woodland as water flows over rocky boulders, making its way down the Derwent Valley below. There is also a tree named the Coin Tree, due to being covered in pennies throughout the years. Summer birds such as pied flycatchers and wood warblers attract visitors. Priestley Wood, Suffolk. Located in the east of England is what is considered to be one of Suffolk's finest woods. Home to the rare native wild pear tree, though you cannot eat it, and hornbeam trees, you can also find several species of orchid. Furthermore, from mid-April to early June is the ideal time to visit in order to appreciate Priestley Wood's display of bluebells. New Forest, Hampshire. Just a 10-minute train journey from London, the different world of the New Forest has ponies, cattle, donkeys and deer who roam freely. It used to be a royal hunting ground for William the Conqueror. In 2005, the New Forest became a national park, covering an area of 566 square kilometres. In addition to unspoilt woodland, there are shady groves and clear rivers, creating tranquil walking, cycling and horse riding opportunities. Ingleton Falls, North Yorkshire. The trail runs close to the edge of the two rivers, providing breathtaking views of the waterfalls. The trail takes in 9 woodland waterfalls over the 4-mile trek and is a site of special scientific interest. Dean Gorge, Devon. From the castle, the steep gorge is seen plummeting into the River Teign. This estate is also an important area for nature conservation or protection as a deer park, and with its veteran deciduous trees. Remember what I said? Deciduous trees, they shed their leaves seasonally. The river is home to wildlife such as otters and kingfishers. And those are 10 woodland areas you can go and visit in England when all this lockdown is over. Let me know in the comments your thoughts, what ones were left off, and where do you like to walk? Take care, stay safe, and keep learning. Bye bye.